I think we leave the meeting. Leave. Hello? Miss Noah's here.
She's connecting to audio. This session is
Guys,
getting
can you hear me?
recorded. Yes.
Yes, there was a
We can
problem with
hear
the
you.
Zoom. Yes, there was a problem with the Zoom. It shut down by itself.
Ah.
Okay. I'm sorry for this mistake. Okay, guys, so that's what we call, again, direct development. Okay, so direct development happens to the organisms that look exactly the same as they are when they are adults, like dogs, cats, like spiders. Okay, humans also go through a direct development. When we are in a young form, we still look like humans, right?
Yes.
Do we look like something else?
No.
No, yes. So
Look
that's what
like
we call.
cats.
No, we don't. So we still look like humans, okay? We go through different stages. There is a life cycle for humans, but we still look the same in all of these stages. But we just change, you know. Maybe we get taller. We can get, you know, fatter. We maybe we'll have more hair. Okay, just slight changes, but we're still the same.
We get smarter.
Okay, maybe we get smarter. Okay, there's another type of growing which we call metamorphosis, and this is the one we talked about in the previous sessions.
Okay.
Okay, we have complete and incomplete metamorphosis. Remember this?
Yes, we do.
Yes.
Yeah, so metamorphosis happens, what do we mean by this? It's the major changes in the body form. So it changes the body of the shape of the body, okay? During its life cycle, like butterflies, like moths, bees, flies, okay? All of those go through metamorphosis, okay?
Miss Naha, what does undergo mean?
Undergo, يعني goes into metamorphosis, like they go through changes.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
So we have two types. We have a complete one and incomplete. Okay. Guys, can you still hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. So in the complete one, there are four stages. In the complete one, we have an egg. Let me zoom in. We have an egg and then a caterpillar or a larva stage. And then we go through cocoon or chrysalis. Remember this word?
Yes, we remember.
Yes, and then a butterfly or an adult.
Okay.
Okay, so there are four stages in the complete metamorphosis. We have the egg, larva, pupa, and adults. Yes, that's right. But in the incomplete one, like the praying mantis in here, we have an egg and then nymph. We don't have larva in here.
Okay.
We don't have larva. We have a nymph. Okay, and then we have an adult stage. So in the incomplete, we have egg, nymph, and
adult.
Yes. If you looked at this picture down there, you'll see that the nymph looks like an adult grasshopper, but with slight changes. Like there are some body parts that added, like the wings. His front limbs will look different when he grows up. Okay, but it still looks like a grasshopper. That's why we call this an incomplete one. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Can we find this sheet?
I will upload it today, Mohammed.
So this is all about the quiz on Sunday?
Yes, this is about the quiz on Sunday.
Okay.
But you still have the book to study from, okay?
Yes, so study from the book, worksheet, and video?
And the study sheet.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Yeah, of course, we talked about this metamorphosis thing in previous videos. So I'm just doing a quick revision for you guys, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so if this organism or this insect or whatever this is goes through a cocoon or chrysalis, we call this a complete.
A complete metamorphosis.
Yes, that's right. Okay, but if it doesn't go through this cocoon or chrysalis, we
Incomplete
call it
metamorphosis.
incomplete. Yes, when the young form of this organism looks like the old one,
All
the adult one, but there's just slight differences, that means it's incomplete. Okay,
Miss, I wanted to say a fact.
you wanted to say a fact?
Yes.
Okay, just give me a minute, then I will give you all the time so we can see whatever you want. Okay, guys, so in the incomplete, we have 3-stage life cycle. The organism looks the same and then grows a little bit larger, okay?
okay.
But in case of a complete metamorphosis, the organism itself looks totally different. So if we zoomed in here,
Okay.
is a caterpillar looks the same as a butterfly?
No.
Yes,
No,
they are
it doesn't.
totally different. Exactly, they are totally different. Okay, guys, let's do this worksheet together. Are you sure we
Okay.
didn't do it before?
Yes, we are sure.
Yes. Okay.
We
So
didn't
let's
get the
do
The
it
last
together,
worksheet we
and
did was the
we only
quiz.
have
Last
10
worksheet.
minutes, guys. So if this meeting finishes, please join again just for 5 minutes. If we didn't finish the sheet, okay?
Okay.
So let's start with the first question. Rukmini, can you read it?
Yes. What are the stages called that show how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly?
Yes. What do you call this?
A life cycle?
Life cycle. Yes, that's right. Thank you so much. Okay, Muhammad, you're next.
Okay.
Yes, a complete change. Read the
A
question.
complete change in physical form, structure, or substance is
called?
metamorphosis.
Yes, that's right. Metamorphosis. Thank you so much, Muhammad. Okay. Do we
You're
have Adito with us? Adito.
Yes.
Yes,
When the butterfly came out of the dash, its wings were wet. Chrysalis.
Chrysalis. Yes, that's right. Thank you so much. Yes, that's right. Number 4. Yalla Gmini again.
And dash is fully grown and adult.
Adults. Yes, thank you so much. Muhammad, number 5.
Larvae are a dash of animals that go through metamorphosis.
Yes.
A young form.
Young form. Yes, thank you so much. Okay,
Uh,
number
Miss
6.
you-
Adito. Yes.
Larva with no E, or with this?
The what?
The larva.
Yes.
You can remove the E.
Oh, no, this one means more than one larva.
Really?
Yeah, so a larva with an A only, this is one structure, yeah. One larva.
Okay.
But when a larvae, it's more than one. That's why he wrote an A-R-E. R, yeah. Didn't say S.
Okay.
Okay, Adito, number 6, please.
Mature plants are able to reproduce using flower or cones.
Yes.
True.
Well, there is a big mistake in this one because they don't use the flowers, they use the seeds in the flowers, right?
Yes.
Yes, the seeds made by the flowers, not the flower or cone.
So it's false.
Yes, thank you so much, Edito. Okay, Rukmini, you can go number 7.
Okay. How many stages are there in a life cycle of a butterfly?
Yes. So let's recap this. A butterfly goes through complete or incomplete metamorphosis.
It goes to complete
Through a complete.
metamorphosis.
So remember the stages? How many stages do we have? Yes.
4
We have
stages.
egg. Yes, right. We have egg,
Eggs,
larva, pupa,
the
and
larvae,
adult. So those,
pupa, and the butterfly.
Yes. And those
So
make
it's
up
4.
4. Thank you so much. Muhammad,
Which
number 8.
Yes. Which of the following goes through direct development for its
Yes.
life cycle? is direct development?
We just said this word, this definition. Remember, like dogs and cats, the organisms that looks the same when they are young, like
Yes.
the spider, it looks the same, doesn't go through changes.
Okay.
It doesn't go through major changes or big changes. You know, they can just get a little bit larger, but they still look the same.
Okay. Where is the question?
Okay, so here's the question again.
Here. Grasshopper. No, dog.
A dog, yes. A
Dog,
grasshopper
yes.
goes through metamorphosis. So it
Yes,
doesn't go
I
through
forgot.
direct development. It's an nymph first, and then it goes into to become a whole grasshopper with wing, with large limbs and everything. So it goes through
Yes.
major changes, but still looks the same. So that's why we called it incomplete metamorphosis. Okay.
Okay, so the direct development means when it's small, it looks the same when it's old?
Yes, it looks the same as it is when it's in the young form. Yes.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
number 9. Plants do not go through life cycle.
It's a false.
False. Yes, thank you, Adito. Because we have germination, then pollination. Remember this?
Pollination,
Yes, all the
seedling,
germination, seedling stage, flowering stage. Yes, so there are life cycle for plants. Okay, is the pupa stage, in the pupa stage, the organism's job is to hatch, to eat, to change, to reproduce.
I think it's change.
Yes, exactly, to change. Thank you so much. Yes, it changes into a whole new organism. Okay, Muhammad, in the larva stage, the organism's job is to hatch, to eat, to change, to reproduce.
in the larva?
Yes.
Larva.
Like a caterpillar, for example.
Okay. To eat.
Exactly. So a larva keeps on eating once it hatched from the egg, so it can,
Yes, it eats.
keep all the energy for the next step. Because when it's in the pupa stage, it does not eat.
Yes, it just lays on a branch.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Thank you, Muhammad.
You're
Aditu,
welcome.
number 12.
Yes. The process in which some organisms change form during different stages of life is called metamorphosis.
Yes, that's right. Metamorphosis. Thank you so much, Aditu. Number 13. Rukmini.
What is the last stage of
Yes,
of butterfly
life
in the
cycle.
life cycle? Adult.
Adult. Thank you so much. Number 14, Muhammad.
In the adult stage, the organism job is to hatch.
No, it's an adult.
Oh, okay.
It's not an egg.
To reproduce.
To reproduce, to make new eggs.
Okay.
Yes. So now these eggs will hatch into a new larva and then goes on again. All the life cycle starts all over. Okay. Number 15.